It's really amazing that someone can be Ukwuani and Igbo same time. Something is clearly not right. This comment was made by an Ukwuani person. The man in the picture is the son of late Mr. Okolubo. Okolubo is a historian from Ukwuani land. He made research concerning Ukwuani history. And his research proved that Ukwuani people are Igbo people. He made mention of so many communities in Ukwuani land that migrated from the southeast. He made mention of those that migrated from Benin. But those that came from Benin don't bear Benin names. Those ancestors that came from Benin, they don't bear Benin names but Igbo names. So his research proved that Ukwuani is Igbo. So this his son here was saying that Ukwuani is Igbo, that we Ukwuani people should support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning for better representation and for us to unite with our brothers in the southeast. Under that his post, this Ukwuani person made this comment saying, how can someone be Ukwuani and Igbo at the same time? I'm here to let Ukwuani people know that someone does not have one identity. We as Ukwuani people, that name Ukwuani brought us together. Not that we were given birth to by one father and one mother. Ukwuani are a people that came from different places. Me myself, I am from Ogume community in Ukwuani land. In that Ogume, I am from Umuchime village. Now, if you come to Ogume and ask me, where are you from in Ogume? I will tell you that I am from Umuchime. I can't tell you that I'm from Obogume because I'm not from there. Obogume is not my identity. If you ask me whether I'm from Utwe, Ibe, or Bago, Obodogwa, I will tell you that I am not from those places. I am from Umuchime. With that, you know that Umuchime is my identity. If you see me, you will call me Oye Umuchime. I'm an Umuchime person. I'm an Ogume person. But because of the name of our region is called Ukwuani, I am an Ukwuani person. Our dialect is called Ukwuani. We adopted that name Ukwuani to be a name that unifies us, to be a name that makes us a family. That was how we got that name Ukwuani. With that, Ukwuani is now our identity. How many identities now? I am from Umuchime village in Ogume. I am an Ogume person. I'm an Ukwuani person. In that Umuchime, I am from Okauku family. With that, my identity is Okauku, Mbunwa Okauku. 4 identities now. In Nigeria, there's what we call Wazobia. I am not Wa. I am not Zo. But I am Bia. Bia people in Nigeria are called Igbo people. Every Bia speaking community, every Bia speaking region in Nigeria is called Igbo. That word Igbo means Ndebo, Ndibo, ancient people. The federal government of Nigeria recognizes we Ukwuani people as Igbo people. Our neighbors in Delta State, Urobo, Isoko, Ijoy, Sekiri, they recognize we Ukwuani people as Igbo people. Other non-Igbo speaking tribes in the South recognize we Ukwuani people as Igbo people. We Ukwuani people, we are related with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. My community in Ukwuani land is called Ogume. We have a community called Ogume in Idiato local government in Imo State. Ogume in Ukwuani land, Ogume in Imo State. We have Okuzo in Obiaroko community in Ukwuani land. We have Okuzo in Anambra State. We have Abo in Ukwuani land. We also have Abo in the southeast. The deities in Ukwuani land are also located in the southeast. The masquerade in Ukwuani land are also located in the southeast. We use the 4 market days in Ukwuani land. They also use it in the southeast. We use the same traditional calendar with our brothers in the southeast. We break kola nut in Ukwuani land. They also do it in the southeast. We believe in Chi in Ukwuani land. They also believe in Chi in the southeast. In Ukwuani land, our deity is called Elishe. In the southeast, their deity is called Alose. Elishe and Alose have the same meaning. We do New Year festival in Ukwuani land. They also do New Year festival in the southeast. What we call the supreme being in Ukwuani land is Chukwu. What they call it in the southeast is Chukwu. We call water Mili. They call water Mili. The language of we Ukwuani people is not similar to the language of our brothers in the southeast. Two similar languages are not the same, but the language of Ukwuani people and those in the southeast is the same. The same names we bear in Ukwuani land is the same names they bear in the southeast. So we are not a separate people. Bian speaking people in Nigeria are called Igbo. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. So saying that you are just an Ukwuani person and not Igbo, you are just deceiving yourself. I'm an Ukwuani person today. Before I became an Ukwuani person, I'm an Ogume person. Before I became an Ogume person, I'm an Omochime person. They ask you, where are you from? I'm from Ogume community. Where is Ogume community located? Ogume community is located in Ukwuani land. Where is Ukwuani land located? Ukwuani land is located in Igbo land. That's our identity. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. If you like, deny it from now till tomorrow. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Whether some of our Ukwuani people like it or not. That is the simple fact. You can't be bearing Ifeanyi Chukwu, Chime, Omogo, Chukwunalo, Chukwuemeke, and you will be saying that you are not an Igbo person. Who are you trying to deceive? You are just deceiving yourself. Ukwuani dialect is Igbo language. The reason why Ukwuani is a dialect of Igbo language is simply because when we speak Ukwuani, our brothers across the River Niger in the southeast, they hear and understand us. Ukwuani is a dialect because the entire Bian speaking people don't speak Ukwuani. It's a dialect because Ukwuani is a regional dialect. Ika is a regional dialect. Oshime and Onitsha are regional dialects. Ikwere is a regional dialect. Nsukka is a regional dialect. But they all understand each other. When these people meet, they don't speak English language. If Ika person and Ukwuani person meet, they don't speak English language for each other. Ika person could speak Ika give Ukwuani person. Ukwuani person could speak Ukwuani, they give Ika person. They understand each other. They are speaking the same language with different dialects. Those are Ukwuani people that are saying that how can you be Ukwuani and be Igbo at the same time? You be Ukwuani because that is the name of your region. Ukwuani is your identity. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbos because Ukwuani language is Igbo language. Ukwuani culture and tradition is Igbo culture and tradition. When you hear the word Igbo, they are not talking about the southeast alone. The way federal government of Nigeria don't separate our southeast brothers, can't call them southeast. Now it make people they feel say now only southeast be Igbo. Say Igbo not cross that southeast. Ndi were indigenous in 13 Nigeria states, not just southeast. So that don't make our people for Ukwuani land believe say once they hear that word Igbo, say now only that 5 southeast states. No. When you hear that word Igbo land, Anioma land is Igbo land, Ibanke in Edo State is Igbo land. Every Bian speaking community is Igbo land. Creating Anioma state and sending it to the southeast. It's not saying that we don't join southeast, we not be Ukwuani people again. No, we still remain Ukwuani people. The only difference is that we are no longer in the south, but in the southeast. Whether Nigeria is in existence or not, we Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. If Nigeria like make it divide into 100 parts, they can't give this our territory another name. We remain Ukwuani people. We remain Igbo people. In Ukwuani land, Osisa person, his identity is Osisa. Ogume person, his identity is Ogume. Amai person, his identity is Amai. Emu person, his identity is Emu. Obiaroko person, his identity is Obiaroko. Abe person, his identity is Abe. And so on. All these separate identities, what is that thing that unites them? That thing that unites them is that name, Ukwuani. Now, in Nigeria, which name unites every Bian speaking people? That name is Igbo. And that is why we Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Ukwuani people support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zone for we Ukwuani people to join our brothers in the southeast. We Ukwuani people, we need development in our land. The government of Delta State are neglecting Ukwuani people. We Ukwuani people, we are being neglected in these Delta states. It's time for us to stop complaining. They not give us light for 20 years. We not get good road. We not get federal and state university. We not get federal and state college of education. We not get federal and state polytechnic. We not get federal projects. No infrastructure. Nothing. Ukwuani land is not progressing. No, we don't want to hear all those things again. Let's use action and get all these things. What is that action? By supporting the creation of Anioma State. Anioma State is the only thing that will give we Ukwuani people everything that we are clamoring for. If you want to lose this opportunity by saying that you don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast, you are wasting your time. That decision, they carry Ukwuani land, they go backward the more. Do you know how sweet it is for we Ukwuani people to leave Delta states to have our own states? If we Ukwuani people, Eka, Oshima, and Darancha people are found in one state, we know say now only we did this state. Oh, say Urobo Isoko, Ijoy Sekiri, not they our state again. We are Anioma, they are now Delta. Every benefit when they come, Anioma state. E go dey reach Ukwuani people hand in quantity. If allocation they come, e go dey come in quantity. The same way those allocations they go Imo State, they go Enugu State, they go Ebonyi State, they go Abia State, they go Anambra State, they go Delta State, they go Edo State, they go Akwa Ibom State, Bayelsa State. Now so e go still they come Anioma State. We go take all those allocations, they build our land. Ukwuani land will have one senator representing Ukwuani people in the Senate. Ukwuani land will have 2 House of Reps members that will be representing Ukwuani people. In the House of Reps, Eka people will have 2. Enoane, which comprises of Oshimi and Darancha, will have 2. Federal projects will be taking place in Anioma land. Most of those projects will come to Ukwuani land. IPP where they don't want construct for Ukwuani land for why they go construct them. We Ukwuani people, we go to get light. Ukwuani people see reasons why you should support the creation of Anioma State. Anioma State can never be created through the South. Federal government no one give South 7 states. Now only Southeast they won't give states. Let's grab this opportunity that was given to us by our Southeast brothers and make sure that we get Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. Make we learn this business way our Southeast brothers they do. Make we grow Ukwuani land so that Ukwuani people will not be depending on crude oil revenue all the time. Make our youth too they do business. Make them they grow. Make them they import they come Nigeria. We need our youth to be producing something that we can be exporting outside Nigeria. We can't grow by being just a minority. If you say that Ukwuani is not Igbo, we Ukwuani people can't stay alone. We can't grow. We not go far. Everybody they doing best to see say Igbo nation goes higher. Igbo nation becomes great. If we Ukwuani people join our brothers in the Southeast, if Igbo nation they go higher, we Ukwuani people will be playing a role. The win of an Ukwuani person is a win for Igbo nation. The win of an Anambra person is a win for Igbo nation. The win of Enugu person, Ebonyi person, Imo State person is a win for Igbo nation. That is how a people grow. Not be we go just do Ukwuani, they talk say, I have Igbo, I have Ndokwa. Good thing go dey pass us. Now, some Ukwuani people they do, I have Igbo, I have Ndokwa, I have Anioma State, I have Ndeba, I have Sobo, Kenimene. Now, you dey deny say not be Igbo person, they talk say no one join Southeast. You won't take and limit yourself from getting Anioma State. You won't take them as an excuse not to support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Anioma State can only be actualized through the Southeast. Those Ukwuani people when no one listen, make una listen. This is the only chance that we have. This is the only opportunity that we have for Ukwuani land to grow. And Ukwuani ba mama bu Ndokwa. Ba di neche ni kwe ba gwo no si ife oni ba marishe Anioma bu ife de Ndokwa ma. Ukwuani chona Anioma ka Anioma bia ka adochi Ukwuani. Aswa eline bu agafo Ukwuani nwe oku. Obu ife job no nwe. Anyị nwe federal university, anyị nwe state university, anyị nwe federal or state unogo. Osife na basa Delta state do na ya Ndokwa. Omu wene ni di ni politics, omu ife Ndokwa ne wese. Ya shinani nekushe Ndokwa support na Anioma se ka wesa Anioma. Ka oso wa bido na anu onu enyi. Kwe malishi owo nebe wa kpo Ukwuani. Anioma state ke yenyi osife anyị na acho n'Ukwuani. Anyị bụ Ndokwa na bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị bụ ndị Bini, anyị bụ ndị Gala. Ndị Igbo ka anyị bụ. Asụsụ anyị na-asụ bụ asụsụ Igbo. Nri anyị na-eri bụ nri ndị Igbo. Omenani anyị bụ omenani Igbo. Ijeni Southeast ifu akpọ omenani ndị ọdịnala bụ omenana na ọdịnala. Ife anyị na-akpọ Ukwuani bụ omenani ni ọdịnala. Osani bụ ofu Ndokwa go ni Osani bụ ofu. Anyị nwere ndị Southeast Osani bụ ofu, anyị bụ nwere anyị bụ ofu. kpari na-ekwu n'ishi anyị bụ na ndokwane anyị abụ ndị Igbo kubechiri ndị nọ adị mma ọsa ndị na-asụ ofe asụsụ bụ ofu ikwuchi bụ onye Igbo ọ pụsawaneshi ya bụ onye Ukwuani mbụ onye Umuchime mbụ onye Ogume mbụ onye Ukwuani mbụ onye Igbo ndị Ukwuani sọpọtụ na Anioma steeti ka ifeọma gbasa Ukwuani Igbo bụ ofu ishi egwali